Hi and welcome to John's Maths book. In this video, I'm going to be looking at evaluating the indefinite integral of tan² θdθ. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and I'd be delighted and honoured if you'd subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's go over to the whiteboard. Let's look at how we find the indefinite integral of tan² θdθ. To evaluate this, we need to use a trig identity to replace tan²θ with something that we can more easily integrate. For this integral, we can use the trig identity tan²θ is equal to secant² minus 1. Replacing the original integral with secant² minus 1, we now have two indefinite integrals which are more easily integrated than tan²θ. So the antiderivative of secant² with respect to theta is tan theta, and the antiderivative of minus 1 with respect to theta is minus theta. So our final answer is tan theta minus theta plus a constant of integration.